Hello everyone, today we'll cover the best settings for OBS Studio to record your screen and record gameplay videos and get the best video resolution with the best size possible. First, open OBS Studio. From the settings menu, click on Output. Since we're focusing on recording, click on Recording. For the output mode, select Advanced. For the recording path, you can select where to save your recording, and for the format, MP4 is the most common and the best overall file format. But if you're recording a long tutorials or courses or long gameplay videos, then you can select MKV. And the great thing is that there is an option to automatically convert the file to MP4 after finishing the recording. For the encoder, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, select NVENC. If not, select X.264. For the rate control, CQP is the best option for screen recordings. For the CQ level, I have it on 14. The lower you will go, the higher the quality could be, but also the file size will increase a lot. So try recording a video to see if the file size is suitable for you, and based on that you can decrease the CQ level for a higher quality or increase it if you don't have enough space in your hard drive. Copy the rest of the settings. From the audio section, you can enable or disable desktop audio, change the sample rate, and add your own microphone if you have one. If you're planning to record your voice, you can add your microphone. From the video section, you can set your base resolution, the resolution of the screen you're using. If you have 1080p monitor, select 1080p. For the output resolution, this is the resolution of the recorded video. For example, if you have a 4K monitor and you only want to record in 1080p, you can set the output resolution to 1080p. For the FPS, 30 is enough for most people, but if you're recording gameplay videos, I recommend 60 FPS. From the hotkeys section, you can add custom hotkeys to add your own custom shortcuts to use the software more easily. From the advanced section, you can set the preset priority, but keep in mind if you select above normal or high, that could affect the performance of your game. If you're recording gameplay videos, normal is the best option. You can also select the renderer and to record videos in MKV and automatically convert the file after finishing recording to the MP4 format. You can enable this option, automatically remix to MP4. And if you are recording your audio, you can add filters to your audio. To add the filters that you find useful, customize them to get the best possible audio. Overall, OBS is the best software to record your videos and for live streaming, and the great thing is that this software is completely free. If you're only interested in recording gameplay videos, you can also try Shadowplay if you have an NVIDIA GPU. And overall, if this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.